So this is GATE 2013 electrical engineering question paper, and let's move on to the next question from electrical circuit domain. So let's move on to the question 30. So let me explain the question first. In this question, this circuit is given and you are being given the values of the capacitances. So the capacitance value C1 is 10 microfarads, the value of C2 is 5 microfarads, and value of C3 is 2 microfarads. And you are also given the value of cutoff voltages or the breakdown voltages. So this is 10 volts, 5 volts and 2 volts. So you need to find out that what is the maximum value of voltage which can be applied across these terminals without breakdown of the capacitors, and the corresponding to that voltage what will be the charge across the terminals. Okay, so pause the video and try to solve it. So if you are not able to solve it, let me give you the hint. So from the options itself we can see that there are only two voltages which are being applied to the terminal, either 2.8 or 7 volts. Okay, so this breakdown voltage is 5 volts and 2 volts. So whenever voltage is applied across these two terminals, the voltage will be divided into two parts, V1 and V2. Our task is to find out that if voltage of 2.8 is applied, then whether the voltage V1 crosses 5 volts and V2 crosses 2 volts, or if the voltage is applied is 7 volts, whether the voltage crosses 5 volts or V2 crosses 2 volts. Okay, so this is the main hint, and pause the video and try to solve it. So hint 2. In order to find out V1 and V2, you already know that in series the current remains same, therefore the charge remains same. So from the equation of capacitor Q is equal to CV, and from here you can find out V1 will be equal to charge through the capacitor C1, that is divided by C1, and V2 will be Q divided by C2. So in order to find out the value of Q, you need to again use this equation on this complete combination of the two capacitors. So the voltage applied is V. The capacitor combination in series is C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. It's like resistance in parallel, is equal to Q. So when you put this value, you will put this value in this, you will find out the value of V1, because C1 is given, C2 is given, and V is given, applied voltage is given. So you need to check if V1 goes beyond the value of 5 volt, which is the cutoff value, or V2 if V2 goes beyond the value of 2 volts for the two voltages, that is 2.8 or 7. And once you have the voltage, you can find out the corresponding charge through the combination. Okay, in order to combine the capacitors, you need to do this series combination, and series combination with parallel combination. So try to do it and post your answers in the comment box.